Yeah guys, back here again today at the house. Got my little coil on today because the big one, there's so much stuff in the ground that the big one has a little bit of a difficulty breaking them down, so I've got the little one today. On my first bolt, it's an old, looks like a button. She's an old button. Right, let's crack on. Yeah guys, another roll, and that is a very old watch. Well, I think it's the watch anyway. Must be. Just can't get it no cleaner than that for the minute. It's let me give it a clean and I'll get back to this. Yeah, it's definitely an old watch. Just see, turn around that way. Just see the numbers. I don't know if you can see that, but up there, you just see the numbers going round. But yeah, that's a very old watch. Been under there a few years. Get it home, give it a very good clean. So, depending how clean I can get it, there'll be a picture up there. So yeah, let's crack on. Another roll. It's part of an old oil lamp. Yeah, quite neat. Just imagine them out here at night, rolling around this big house with an oil lamp. Christ. Yeah, nice. Let's crack on. Alright guys, just pulled this out and I ain't looked at it yet. Thought we might look at it together. It might be my first and my copper in this garden. Let's have a look. It's thin enough. I'm not going to get too much detail off of that, I don't think. A very thin coin. It's got to be a copper. I'll clean it up and I'll get back to this. That ain't too sure what that is. Wherever it is, it's hammered. Probably more likely to be a jetton. But I'll let you, when I clean it up and I know for a full fact. Oh, yeah. There's a pattern right there. Inkling that's it. It may be maybe a jetton. But yeah, I'll let you know. Crack on. Right guys, next on. So cloth seal. I'm going to put the cloth in between two bits of lead, clamp it down. It's got a picture of a heart. I think that's a heart, yeah. So it's cloth seal, lead, nice. Ooh. Normally got a picture on the front, but it's got some sort of writing there. Yeah, nice. Some of them can be, I think they're post-medieval. So, yeah, nice. Let's crack on. Guess who's here with me again? Who's gonna worm me this time? Num 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 num. Is it a nice boy? He'll be with me here all day. Keeps following me about. No, ta-da. He's on that. See, sit over there on that branch here. Then you come back. Let's crack on. Well guys, another little hole. It's just here. Obviously by the looks of the top bit there, it's a pendant. Bit of a mashed up pendant. I'll give it a clean up and I'll get back to you. That's a very nice find, that is. It's Edward the... can't quite tell what that is. Edward something and someone. I'll get more info. When I get more info, it'll be up the top. Yeah, that's very nice. On the other side. Yeah, clean up nicely and all. But yeah, that's nice, that is. There's obviously Edwards and his missus. But yeah, nice. Let's crack on. Right guys, just sitting down here having a break at the bottom of the garden. Very nice garden. Got some old looking trees here and all. But that pendant I found, that is a Edward the 7th and Alexandra. Yeah, King Edward the 7th and Queen Alexandra medal. George and the Dragon. If you can have a look, I don't know if you can see it, but that's what it is there. 1902. That's exactly what it is. So yeah, that's a very nice find, that is. Quite liking that. So this place holds hidden stuff. But yeah, let's crack on. Now guys, want my first decent coin. That looks near enough. The day they dropped it in there, Jesus. They ain't even gone green yet. In 1938, 1 penny. Let's see, George VI. Nice. Sweet. Let's crack on. Alright guys, it's another pendant. It's a cross one this time. So let's see if it's gone on. Give it a quick rub. Then we give it a clean and I'll get back to you. Managed to clean it up a bit. It's got a nice blue tint in it. It says something in the middle. Probably something to do with Jesus, but yeah, but still, cracking find that. Sweet, quite big and all. Let's crack on. Alright guys, next hole. It's another top of a lava lamp, oil lamp. Nice. Let's crack on. Right guys, just found this. I've got a clue what that is. Anyone's got a clue what that is? Comment below. Got a pattern around the side of it. I don't know if it's off a purse or Don't know. But yeah, nice. Let's crack on.
Thanks for watching Digger 1 and Digger 2 on YouTube. Hope you enjoyed it. Always get permission off the landowner.